Let's consider this question. Expressed in index form, log a raised to the power of x plus log a raised to the power of y, which is equals to 3. Now, to solve this question, we are going to apply our log rule, which is also our indices rule. All right. So, log a raised to the power x plus log a raised to the power of y is equals to log a. This will multiply it because when there's addition here, the power will multiply. So here will be xy. All right. Therefore, we have our log a xy, which is equals to what? 3. All right. So now that we have this, we are going to convert to exponential form. So we are going to convert this equation to exponential form. So in doing that, we are going to say since log b raised to the power of c, which is equals to d, all right, which is equals to bd, which is equals to c. All right. Now, using this formula, we are going to say therefore our a raised to the power of 3, because this a will not be raised to the power of 3, which is equals to what? X, y. Or we are going to do it as xy is equals to a raised to the power of 3. And this is the answer to the question. So guys, that is very simple. When you know the formula for the log and how to apply your rules, it is very simple. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, hit the comment section and let us know what you want. Bye.